Hello students, today in this video we shall be discussing about spherical lenses, that is convex and concave lens. So let us start. The statement says that a transparent material bound by two surfaces of which one or both surfaces are spherical forms a lens. Let us look at the key words of this statement and understand. It starts with a transparent medium. Yes, the object that is taken to make lenses are transparent in nature. It has to be because it is going to refract the ray of light. It is bound by two surfaces. There are two surfaces in lenses. So light enters from one side and exits from the another side, of which one or both surfaces are spherical. This is an important thing to be noted, that the two surfaces which we are taking, they may be both curved or maybe one curve and one plane. It is not necessary that both the surfaces must be curved. So when such a object is formed of transparent medium with two surfaces, this is what we call as a lens. We refer to the diagram given below. The first stands for a convex lens where both the surfaces are convex in nature, means they are bulged out. The second is a concave lens because it is having a shape of concave and it is thin at the central region and thicker at the edges. So we have these two basic types of lenses, but there are other possibilities as well. So let us see what are they. Other type of lenses are a double convex lens. This is a lens where both the surfaces are convex. Plano-convex lens where one side is convex, the other side is plane. Concavo-convex where one side is convex and the other side is concave. So these are the possibilities in case of a convex lens. The second is for concave lens, we can have a double concave lens where both the surfaces are concave. A plano-concave lens with one side concave and another side plane. Convexo-concave where one surface is convex and the another is concave. So these are the various possibilities where we can study refraction through lenses. But in standard 10th, we shall be restricting ourselves to a double convex lens and a double concave lens. Now, how the light ray undergoes refraction, that we shall see. In the first diagram, a convex lens is drawn. A straight horizontal line passing through O is what we call as the principal axis. The point O has a significance. It is called as the optical center of the lens. Then we draw two rays parallel to principal axis. They are the incident ray which falls on the lens. After refraction, both the rays meet at a point F2. Now, F1 is the focus of surface 1 and C1 is the center of curvature of surface 1. F2 and C2 are the focus and center of curvature for the surface 2. Because there are two curved surfaces, thus in case of lenses, we have two principal focus lying one on each side and the two center of curvature again lying on one on each side of the lens. So in case of a convex lens, we see that the light rays which are parallel to principal axis, after refraction, they meet at F2. Because they are meeting at one point, thus we can say that the convex lens has a converging nature. Means it is bringing the light rays to one point, it is converging. The other diagram is of concave lens where again we draw the principal axis, we passing through the optical center of the lens. The two parallel rays which are incident on the concave lens, after refraction they are moving away from each other. Because the light rays after refraction are moving away from each other, we say that concave lens has a diverging nature. The light ray diverges after passing through the concave lens. When we extend these two refracted rays in the backward direction, this is an imaginary line, thus we draw it with dotted line. We see that both the lines meet at the point F1. Now, F1 is the principal focus of the first surface. Thus, we say that in case of concave lens, the light rays after refraction appear to be coming from the principal focus. So, we see in case of a convex lens or a concave lens, principal focus has a significant role to play. Let us now understand what is the focal length and what is the principal focus in case of a convex lens. For this, let's see a video. Now, I have taken a convex lens and I am trying to focus the image of the sun. Can you see the bright spot? That bright spot formed is the principal focus. The light rays coming from infinity, that is from the sun, are focused by the lens at one point. This point is what we call as the principal focus. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.